Carl Hooper, very much the informed batsman for the West Indies. He and
well, there has been a little bit of chat about the possibility of one of these two umpires. We're going to have a good look at this young off spinner who's really been called. Beautiful stroke. Carl Hooper plays spin very well. Didn't get full value for that because of the very damp outfield. He's moved the one just in front of him so as he can get a better look. Well, there we go. He's being called, it looks to me, as if umpire Emerson has called him for throwing. So Muralitharan now is going to approach the umpire, and what's he saying to him? Now let's watch his hand here, because I suspect he'll bowl leg spinners from here on in. I think that's probably the plan. Now Dav Watmore got that one from his position. Youngster's in trouble again. That's the leg spinner. Bowled all off spinners up to that moment, and that was a leg spinner. Right, well, this is the second last ball. Well, he's called the second one as well. Now, interesting, just let's have a look. What did he bowl there? Was that an off spinner? 2 out of 2 he's called. Watch this one. Comes up again, bowls a off spinner here. You can see him come over there, and up goes the hand. The next ball, so 2 no balls in a row that was. He's called that one as well. So well, this is dramatic stuff.
Let's watch this call here. Call here. Call here. Call here. Well, he's got it. He's called there. There's been a good crowd in. He's calling the leg break.
If he's sensible, he'll just finish this over bowling leg spinners. Let's have a look. This is the last delivery. So he's called that, and it's very similar to the second delivery.